Hi guys, today I'm going to go up on the roof there and I'm going to check the chimney out. Like, we had this all brand new installed about a month ago. Everything was done top to bottom, including the wood stove. So everything's okay. But since it's such a beautiful day and there's no snow or ice, it's not raining, I just want to go up there and take it apart and look in and see how it looks. So let's head up there, guys, and check it out. So I'm on the roof now, and there's the nice brand new chimney. Look at that. So the installer that put this in, he said there's 3 screws there. Take the screws off and then turn it, I think it's counterclockwise. And then take it off, and then you can clean it that way. And here's the chimney sweeping brush. The company that installed the wood stove and everything said, this is the only thing that is good, you know. Yeah, he said, this is the correct brush to clean that chimney with. Otherwise, everything else was useless, had to be replaced. I'll put links below. You can see the story about our fire stove there. So check those out. I took the screws off, and it is, you turn it counterclockwise, but it's heavy. Weighs a ton. So I'll have to get Kulika up here, my wife. She'll help me, because if I lift it off there and I lose the grip, that'll go rolling off the roof and maybe get damaged. So she better come here and help me get that off. Here comes Kulika.
Hi.
So yeah, it's a little heavier than I thought. Like this part here. Once we get that off, we'll just set it down gently here on the roof. And then we'll look inside there with the flashlight. And I'll put the brush in there to see how it works, because I'm new to this, guys. I've never done this before. And that's why I want to take a look at it today on such a nice day. Now she's on the roof. She can take it off. Take it off, Kulika.
Yeah, right.
I'm just teasing. No, I'm going to turn the camera off now. We'll get it off, and then when we have it, we'll show you how it looks down the chute. So there, we got the top part of the chimney off. And it was quite heavy, right, Kulika?
Yeah, quite a bit.
Then you got to be careful here. I wouldn't want it to go roll off the roof, so there's some lip on the metal roof, which really helps.
And you don't want to go rolling off the lip.
So it doesn't look too bad in there. And it's pretty new, like I told you guys it was, so it's not like it's going to be really dirty, but I just wanted to practice how this works. And then I'm going to try the brush out and see how that works too, because it's new. So let's look inside of the part that goes in the house now. I got the flashlight. I get to look later too. But like I said, it's not too bad. Well, how could it be? It's only like over a month old, so just want to practice today. So here's the brush, guys. Like I said, he said this is the best thing that was left with this fireplace.
Everything else
Let's
was
see here. Now it's not dirty, but I'm practicing. This will go right down to the wood stove. That's tight fit, so it's. Oh, I hit the bottom. I can feel it. I'm in the house there, like at the top of the firebox. And we wouldn't be doing this in the winter. This, you know, you basically could do this once a year, something like that. But depends how many fires you do, right? There's not really a book that says once a year you better do it. Like, you might have to do it every few months, who knows?
Yeah, and it also has to do with which kind of wood are you burning.
Right.
If you're burning birch, which would be perfect, that won't create that much soot there. But we don't have any birch, we have pine here on the property. And any firewood the former owners had here, it's all pine. And pine creates lots of that black stuff that you have to clean out.
There. I don't want to lose the brush. So I feel a little better, guys, because like I said, it's all new to us, this, and we want to learn what everything does. So probably next spring or whenever we'll clean it. But it should be good to go. I talked to the fireplace installer actually this morning and asked him about it, and he said, "You're good, don't worry." So,
Yeah, because we noticed that that glass door to the fireplace was steady getting
right.
a kind of layer of tar on it, and it's really hard to clean off. And we started thinking, what's up if just couple of we just cleaned it, and a couple of fires later we see that black stuff on the glass again. So we started kind of wondering what would the inside of the chimney look like if the glass is that bad already.
But yeah,
But the guy who installed it for us said, we told him too about that, and he said don't worry about it. So I guess we don't have to worry
he
about
said,
it.
"Yeah, there's no problem." He says it's, burn the fire a little harder if you want to clean the glass. So.
Because this fireplace was such a major investment for us, because we spent lots of money on it, and we want to keep it good.
But yeah, this is a major investment, but we know we're starting from scratch. It's brand new. We know it's clean. We're going to keep it clean, and we know the condition. So guys, let's head down, and then we'll finish the video down on the ground. So guys, we're safely back down on the ground. So it went pretty good, other than the chimney was kind of heavy, right, Kulika?
Yeah, it was really hard to get it off, like to disconnect it, and not necessarily disconnect it, but to lift it up, because it was such an awkward position to be while lifting such a heavy weight, and then, yeah, that was the hardest part. And then, of course, putting it back up. So.
Yeah, you had to set it down easy. I didn't want to dent it or nothing, but it was heavier than I thought.
It's quite heavy, yeah.
But once if you were cleaning it like that, the chimney, it'd be pretty easy actually. Also, you can clean it from inside the house, but what do you think of doing it inside, Kulika?
Yeah, you think it's easier, but then you're dealing with all that soot and that black stuff, and
everything would come down.
And then you're inhaling this, and like it's not really good situation because it will be all over your living room, so it's not good.
So it's better to do it from the roof actually, but we will think about maybe doing it from the bottom sometime too.
We'll probably try it once and see what that is like.
If it's a really ugly job, then back to the roof. So we hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Maybe some of you watching out there, you have a chimney and you haven't cleaned yours yet. Maybe a video like this would help you, I don't know. But I've watched some on YouTube too, and they've helped me out. But like I said, I don't have much experience, so you got to learn, right? You got to go up there and tackle the job. So thanks for watching the video, and if you're new here to the Our Dream Homestead channel, please subscribe. And click the bell there. I've said that in other videos. Click the bell so you get notified when we get new videos out. See you in the next one, guys.
See you.